So anyone that knows me knows that I like to DIY a lot of things. This week was the first time in a really long time that I've been to Starbucks on multiple occasions. I went and got the passion fruit drink. That was the first pink drink I tried. And then just today I got the guava pink drink, and they were so good. Spent like almost $6 for each. So just to go, I spent about $35, maybe $40 on just drinks on Starbucks alone. It's a lot of money. It's good, but it's not like impossible to make at home and spend less. The flavors were very familiar to me. I work with coconut milk a lot when I cook vegan, and I also have just coconut milk to drink. So I thought, let me try it here at home. It tastes exactly the same. So at the grocery store I got this for $3. I usually only buy this when it's on sale, 2 for $5, and ice you can get for like $1. For the price of one venti guava pink drink, I was able to get enough supplies to make this every day for pretty much the rest of the week. So I hope I helped you guys out.